Imagine if you could have the chance to buy the .com top level domain 30 years ago. Imagine if all the domains registered on that .com top level domain would be giving you royalties today. You would be a billionaire for sure. But in today's video, I will be talking about another chance that you are getting with Web3 top level domains using Freename. Hey everyone, this is Sahil and the channel Crypto Clarity tells you all about Web3, blockchain and cryptocurrency in all. So in today's video, I will be talking about top level domains and how you can buy them via Freename. This is a great chance to get in on these top level domains early and even get royalties from them. So let's get right into it. So those of you who are subscribed to my channel and know that I talk about Web3 domain names a lot, and you would have seen a few videos where I am talking about Web3 domains and how you can buy them via Unstoppable Domain. And this is a video where we will be talking about the top level domain rather than the root domain, which is something that people buy generally. And if you are a person who wants to buy a website, you usually go to a domain name service and then you buy a root domain from there. So just think of it as cryptoclarity.com. So cryptoclarity is the root domain there, and the original domain would be .com. So if you see Wikipedia's definition for TLDs, you can see that TLD is one of the domains at the highest level of hierarchical domain name system of the internet and after the root domain. So see here, if you see .org, which is the biggest of them all and the highest level of hierarchical domain name system. So .org is one of those top level domain and Wikipedia is the root domain here. So the top level domains names are installed in the root zone of the namespace. For all domains in lower levels, it is last part of the domain name. So imagine if you could have bought the .org or .com when internet was starting, and now you have millions of websites on that. You could have a lot of passive income from there because people would register different root domains on it. So you would be able to get that kind of value out of it. But it was not possible because how the internet was created and how it was not clear to anyone that this would be a big thing. But now you have the chance to do that with Web3 because you are able to buy these domain names, not specifically like .org or things like .com, because they are already bought and people sell different kind of domains on it. So now you can buy different on Web3, which is going to be enabled via blockchain, and you can even sell them on different platforms like OpenSea and other places as well. Now let's go through how you can buy the top level domains from Freename.io, which is a domain name registrar giving you the access to Web3 top level domains and normal domains as well. So if you see that Freename.io is the website name, and you can search different kind of top level domains like .panda, .metaverse, .wave, crypto privacy, all the different kind of domain names where you can buy them. And if I type in .gas, that will be giving me if it's available for it or not. You can see that it's protected already, so you cannot buy it. That means someone has registered for it and also trademarked it. That means you cannot buy it. But there are chances that you can buy domain names on top of it, like gas.aurora, gas.mining. Different kind of domain names are suggested to you here. You can add to the cart, look for more as well. If we go to explore, you can see how there are different kind of domains or just normal search as well. If there is a domain associated, it will show here, otherwise it won't. You can see carbon net zero. There are different kind of things going on here, and obviously depending on your choice and what you think could be of value in future, you can buy this and see if this is going to be required in future and people will be using it, then go ahead and add to the cart for it. So if you see the trademark page, you can see how they have given different information on how to get that top level domain trademarked. This is going to give you a lot of help in how to trademark your own top level domain. So registering a trademark on Freename will allow you to juridically protect your Web3 TLD as well as your logo worldwide. So that means this is a great way to have the intellectual property safe, and obviously create an NFT for it. From the moment you deposit a trademark request, your Web3 TLD will be protected worldwide for 6 months, awaiting for the Swiss Federal Institute of Intellectual Property IGE.ch to confirm and register the availability of your TLD. Once the IGE accepts and ultimately register your trademark, you will be free to choose in which country to protect your Web3 TLD. So again, it's a great way to trademark your brand name or something that you have that you know that you are going to build on top of. So you can do that for different kind of top level domains as well. And if you see another thing that is a good feature and a great way to get passive income from these is to have royalty on top of it. So if I go back and remove this and I go to any domain name, then you will see if I try to buy that, it will give us the option to create the royalty feature. You can add it on top of the purchase, so that means you will be able to get income on every domain name that is registered on it. And this is one of the biggest feature of TLDs, that you will be able to get any kind of registration fees from people who are buying domains on top of it. And this will obviously bring you more value out of the domain. If you want to keep it for some time, you can see this, it's only a one-time payment. If you click on these, it will select royalties for these websites as well. So another great feature for you if you want to invest in this kind of stuff. It's obviously no financial advice, depending on your choice of alternative investment, what you want to look for. You can see that these can hold a lot of value to people who are creating projects on these, and obviously there will be more people coming into this space in future as well.